In this video, I'll guide you through how to add Ads.Txt in Squarespace. Whether you're looking to improve your site's advertising performance or simply need to comply with ad networks, adding an Ads.Txt file is a crucial step. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open any page on your Squarespace website. It doesn't matter which page you choose, as this is just a temporary step to access the file upload feature. Once you have a page open, look for the Edit button. You'll usually find it at the top of your page. Click on it to enter editing mode. Now that you're in editing mode, you'll need to highlight any piece of text on the page. This can be any text, as we're just using it to create a link. Once you've highlighted your text, look for the link icon, which resembles a chain link. Clicking on this will open the link editor. In the link editor, direct your attention to the gear icon, which represents settings. Click on this icon to reveal a menu where you can select the file option. This is where we'll upload your Ads.Txt file. Now, it's time to upload your Ads.Txt file. Make sure you have your Ads.Txt file ready on your computer. Click the upload button in the file menu and locate your Ads.Txt file. Once found, click to upload it. This process might take a moment, but once it's done, you'll see the file listed in the menu. With the file successfully uploaded, you'll want to make sure it's selected. Click on your Ads.Txt file in the list, and you should see a check mark appear next to it. This check mark indicates that the file is selected and ready to be used. Finally, to complete the process, click the Save button. This ensures that your Ads.Txt file is properly saved and linked on your Squarespace site. And that's it. You've successfully added your Ads.Txt file to Squarespace. Remember, this process is essential for ensuring that your advertising efforts are properly recognized and authorized. By maintaining an accurate Ads.Txt file, you're helping to prevent unauthorized sellers from damaging your advertising revenue and credibility. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, Squarespace's support resources are a great place to find more information. But for now, you should be all set. Thanks for watching and good luck with managing your Squarespace site